How to change your display refresh rate for apps on your Xiaomi phone, whether it's the Redmi Note 13 or the 14 with HyperOS 2. You can use this settings toggle here or app icon here, and if you don't see it, use the quick access and tap on this icon here. Once you reach this part, go down until you see display and brightness. Now that you're here, go down until you see refresh rate, this one here. You'll see two different options. One is the default, and that basically is going to go according to the app compatibility, and it will go to either 60 to up to 120 Hertz, depending on your app's compatibility. However, you can go with the custom one and choose the specific refresh rate. Tapping here will give you either 60 or 120. 60 basically means everything on your phone will run on 60 refresh rate Hertz, okay? But if you go here and you switch it to 120, you can have them all set to 120, but if you go down a little bit more, you'll see app using high refresh rate. So you can tap here now and actually choose which one of these will keep the high refresh rate. So you don't need all your apps using the high 120. So maybe only a few will use it. So for example, you don't need this to have it. Maybe you want to keep the video player one here, but others like the down here, and you got these maybe the games here, dialers maybe not, and just go through the list which ones you don't need for high refresh rates. But the one that has the on toggle here means that it is going to be to 120, and you can always come back and change these settings at any given time, like in sub.